Just look at Theophilus. Theophilus is asking me for Samsung Fold 3. A phone worth 1.5 million naira. Ha! God, how did I get here? How did I even allow this to happen? This is a boy that I once hated so much in this house. Now asking me for a phone, and baby girl, you have no choice. You have no choice, you just have to buy the phone. I thought I was smart. I thought I was way smarter than this.
What is it? What is it again? What is it this time? What is it? What is it? What is this? Stop! Hey! I'm here, I'm talking to you. Calm down. Babe, what is it?
See this idiot.
What is it?
This bastard, this fool that I did not train properly, had the guts to go into my kitchen. That is God-forsaken hand inside my pot to collect the chicken I kept for you.
This is a lie. What are you talking about? Na lie.
Me lying.
Stop! Hey! You're going to hit me now. Stop now. What happened? What is it?
Kasi I just say make I go the pot. I see the pot. I say just make I view at the thing they see. You understand?
Why would you go to why would you go to the kitchen?
No, see, Oga. Since when you travel, Since when you travel, mother know they give me food.
You are a bloody liar.
Is that true? You've not been feeding him?
At all. No, they give me food.
Seriously?
I'm asking you.
No, did you ask me that question?
No, but that's what he said.
I should believe him over me.
No, I haven't said
so.
No,
it is a wrong question to ask. You shouldn't have asked me that question in the first place.
There's chaos and I'm trying to find...
No! Listen. You see this fool?
What's this?
Warn you. Let me warn you. The next time I see you an inch close to my kitchen, you see this your bald head that ends here, I will scrape it to get to the back. Try me. Try me! Come, pick that slippers. Pick the slippers! Bring my slippers for me! You bloody fool. Come on, give me my slippers. Rubbish. I don't know how you employ this. Better you employ a goat to be at this gate than to keep this fool here.
What is it?
Nothing. I can see what she's talking about.
What is it?
Nothing I do. Now because she says she talks, she can scrape my back. She can go back.
What happened? What is the problem?
Nothing, sir. Now this is what I'm telling you. Nothing. I don't do anything. I just say make I go there. Because he didn't give me food. Yeah? Maybe wickedness.
Okay, calm down. I'll bring your food for you when it's ready. But stop going to her pot.
I don't. God forbid. I don't go ever go near again. That kitchen.
And then sometimes when she does not give you food, you use your money and buy food for yourself. Yes. Use your money and buy food for yourself. That is why you're working. All you domestic staff, I don't know what your problem is. You drivers, PAs, bus conductors, carpenters, mechanics, electricians. I don't know why people are the way you are. You work and then you keep your money by the side and then you don't want to spend it on yourself. What kind of wickedness is that to your own self? Listen, when you work and I'm not around, my dad does not give you food. Use your money and stay alive first.
The money will finish now, not 30,000.
Let it finish before you had this job, Uncle. Were you not surviving? The money will finish. So the way she's embarrassing you now is what you want.
Do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you're hiding.
So how long are you out?
3 weeks, 1 month tops. Yes.
Oh, come on, that's too long, baby. 3 weeks.
I know.
A month.
Yes, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know, it all depends on how the contract goes. We're working with this Chinese company and they're quite demanding. And it's my job to ensure that things are in place. Sorry, I'm going to miss you too, but, you know, we've got to make the money. I'm going to miss you. But I want to ask you a favor.
What is it?
Please. Please.
You haven't said anything. Is please the favor?
Please, baby. Please. Will you do it for me?
Babes, you still haven't said anything. You only said please.
Promise you do it for me.
No, tell me what it... Okay, I promise I'll do it.
Please.
I'll try. Can you stop pleasing already? What is it?
Please don't kill Theophilus while I'm away. Don't kill him. Please give him food. Take care of him. He's got no one really. He relies on me for practically everything. Even as I travel, I know he's panicking, but I've got to go. But I'm trusting and knowing that you have a lot of love in your heart. And you're going to be just nice to him. Please.
Okay. I'll try.
You give him food.
I'll try not to kill him. But if he does anything stupid, I'll kill him.
No, call me first before you do that. Don't kill him. Please. Please, honey.
Okay.
Ooh,
I
thank
heard.
you.
I'm just
Thank
just
you.
going to do it. I'm doing it because of you.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting at the door.
Theophilus.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
Hello. Thank you.
What are you looking at?
No, sorry, ma. Sorry, sir.
Sorry for your little self. You go down the road to the fast food where you normally get me pizza. Okay. You remember, right?
Yeah.
I want you to get... Meanwhile, this is my cousin brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Okay.
He just came to town.
I see him. I see the reservoir. I see him. He say, your nose is here. Like I said nose. And if you laugh, you get a hair. They did. So, welcome, sir.
He's very funny.
Welcome, sir.
He's a
Thank
bunch
you.
of trouble. Anyways, I want you to get me pizza and ice cream.
Okay.
Hmm?
Now that place far.
Are you mad?
So sorry, ma.
Does it look like I'm complaining?
Sorry.
Eh?
Sorry, ma.
What is your problem, Mr. Man?
No verse.
And please, when you get there, if the queue is long, make sure you wait until it gets to your turn before you buy. I don't want to hear that you went there, started dragging, or started jumping lines so that you buy first. If the queue is long, stand at the back and wait until it gets to your turn.
Madam, you don't forget. No people they tell me say, anytime when you say me go there, make I no stay for queue, make I join the jump line, make I no waste time. Where I call the taxi in. Sorry.
Take it easy, okay?
What is even your problem? Are you mad?
Sorry.
She's just telling you to be a good citizen, okay?
It's okay, sir.
What kind of human being is this
No
one?
verse.
Okay.
You don't talk. I will feel like day long, make I day back.
Stay at the back and wait until it gets to your turn.
Let me see that tomorrow I will come back.
If you like, if it doesn't get to your turn, stay there. Agbaya. Take it. And I hope you remember the pin.
I remember the pin now, madam. You know, say last time when you give me this card, the decline. You tell me say anytime while they go again, say you go give me cash. Why you consider they give me, say make it decline again?
What is wrong? What is wrong with this nonentity?
No, that the thing you don't forget the thing we talk. You say
Oga, it was network that day. Go and use the card. It will go. If it doesn't go, stay there.
Ha.
Wait until it goes. If it does not go today, stay there and wait. Tomorrow it will go. Sleep there.
what?
Pico, let's go inside. Let me not hear any stories, though. Come in. Feel at home. Feel like you are in your own house.
Baby, wait.
What is it?
The Gateman, won't he code?
That dummy. Code what? Moreover, I sent him out. And he is not coming back anytime soon.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Haven't you missed me?
Of course I missed you.
So
but
come to mommy. Come. down here.
No. I don't say anything though. No. Why? No. Oh, so sweet. Oh yeah, baby. Have you? Huh? Jesus.
Tio? It's not what you think.
Yes. Yeah, to religious. Amen.
It's not what you think. The thing is that ant.
Yes.
Ant climbed my back.
Wow.
He now said he wants to help me to remove the ants. So as he was trying to remove the ants from my back, and I saw a cockroach.
Oh, cockroach. For your body, why yes? Okay, for your body.
That's why he's not wearing shirt. I told him to remove it so that I can see the cockroach very well.
Okay. Ant enter your body, you will lie down. Then you come mount on top of you, you can see cockroach for your body.
Tio, I have chicken.
Oh, you have chicken?
Dry chicken.
Wow.
Fried it very well.
Child. Yeah.
With juice.
With juice,
It's very big juice.
I thought that would fire you. You see this nonsense where they do that? Thunder will not get mama and papa. And thunder will be orphan thunder. Let go kill you. You see all this nonsense? You see I'm what?
Eva, just hold on. Let me talk to him man to man. He's a man like me.
Thunder fire you, who be a man? Go me. Thunder fire you, the idiot.
Just calm down.
Okay, you know because it again.
Yeah, Tio.
She not na cousin Abi. Oh, okay, not because they again. Something. Your cousin where they go drop oil for your grease. It's all right.
Let's talk about this. This hasn't got into this now.
I don't know. No, see the kind of heat where they wire you. If this kind of heat where they front here for face, what would they see? They like this. Who know they can fire? What go they hear? Hey, oh. Are you serious? You are cousin. Sit down. Sit down. God. So you carry your cousin enter this house. You tell me say na your cousin. You can't lie down. Your cousin can't see ant for your back as you lie down for back. You see that here. Then you can't come out him shirt come mount on you. You dey tell him, hey sweet baby, oh yeah, for Oga Palo. You carry this nonsense idiot, go here, go the scatter of God here. God. You know the shame? Go. You.
So let's talk.
We are friends.
Please.
Oh, we are friends. Okay. Oh, you don't get the maltreat me again. Maltreatment don't go.
Maltreat you. We are good friends now. Even that pizza, I told you to go and buy.
Yes.
It was for me and you.
Now you can't carry nonsense, give me. No wonder. You carry this thing, make I go stay for life, make I come back there tomorrow. So that you will get time. You will get time, make this idiot come out cockroach for your body and ant. You go come out ant. You go come out. Oh God, you will be say your marriage. Now next month. Now you carry this idiot come here like that. They say, oh yeah, sweet mo. Now devil. Now that devil ain't expose you. Network, devil carry network come out for POS. In what they decline. So if you say they know decline now, I can't come back. If you see speed, why they come back? I follow see all this thing. Hey, no wonder they tell me say make I there for kill. He say if they like go Jerusalem, make I dead there, make I come back there tomorrow so that you go carry your cousin. You don't talk of you. Hey, forget here. Hey, God. See. Make I just tell you as it be. You understand? If I make a stand like this, any day for this house, when I go, we say I go demand something, anything will be at all, and you no come give them to me the way as I take talk. Okay, go see this video. Okay, go see us this video as you carry your cousin. When you person when you call cousin, carry come here. They harass you. They kill you.
We're actually not cousins.
My friend, shut up there. Shut up there, idiot. Yeah, I tell you that.
Tio, don't worry.
See that because of you, in fact.
See, anything you want. Just name it. Anything you want, I will give it to you.
Abi? Anything, Abi?
But let it just be a secret between all of us.
Hey, that's secret now. A secret between all of us, Abi?
Yes.
Anything wide, Abi?
Anything you want, still. Just name it.
Okay.
But delete the video.
Just delete it.
Are you serious? Make I delete the video.
Yes.
If I delete the video, let me see don't finish me now. Guy! Okay, Jesus, okay, fine. I say, I know what you could do because I don't trust you. I don't trust you the weekend. In fact, make I send the video to my girlfriend, to my babe.
See you?
Unless you go there safe there in case you thief this phone, scatter am.
See you, Philos.
What do you just lost? You get sense, Abi? Make I delete am. Anything wey I will do, you get sense, Abi? See, make I tell you. And from today, you dey pay me salary. Yes, Oga go dey pay me once and you go dey pay me salary.
Salary?
Yes, salary. You don't know what is salary again? You know what is salary? You don't know what is salary? Huh? Because why you call the ask salary? I say you don't know what is salary.
Slip of tongue, sorry.
Okay, slip of hey, just know now. You go dey pay me, Oga go dey pay me for one side, you go dey pay me for one side. You understand?
Yes.
Good. Yes. And the money now, you go dey pay me 100,000 every month.
Oh, but Jesus.
What if what? What kind of? What if what? What was it? Oh, but it's your Jesus. Okay. You know what was that? Fine.
I'll pay.
Now you talking now.
I'll pay.
Cool. They pay me 100,000 every month. Or they pay me own, you go to pay my own. If you just they pay, as you talk about that, you no get problem. Nobody will see this thing. Oga no go see am. Okay. It will be secret between you and me. Abi? Oga cousin, she will dey here. You dey hear they hear the agreement, Abi? No, you dey hear that they hear the agreement, Abi? Say anything what I need for this life, food or money or anything, you will just supply a sharp. You understand?
Yes, I'm here.
See, now your marriage I won't save you.
But you need to calm down and act maturely so that people don't find...
Fire you there! What if you calm down? I don't calm down, cause it down. No be stand before. Oh, you okay, make I stand up?
No, just relax.
So you hear what in there? Say now so it be. Yes. No fuck me up if you thank God say I don't send that to my babe. Okay. I better take this nonsense. Take care. Pizza.
Whew. Hi, Christabel.
Hello, girlfriend. Oops, what's that voice? Why is the voice so dull? What's the matter? Okay, I know you're missing him. Relax. You know what? I am coming to visit you during my semester break. Yes? Oh, of course, girl. You know I love goodness. I need you to keep goodness for me when I'm there. I know, right? Thank you. I love you too, darling.
I love you too.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Kai, Theophilus, what do I?
Are you going to our house or Alex's?
Alex's place, of course. They are staying together.
Have you seen Henry lately?
Yes, what about him?
That guy is sick. Like he's seriously sick. Instead of you to think of how you're going to see him, you're here busy thinking of how you're going to say this is your own friend's man. What is wrong with you?
I hate you for being too blunt. Who says I'm going to seduce Alex?
And what are you going to do if you're not going to seduce him? All I'm concerned about is that Henry is sick and you're busy planning on traveling. Doesn't make sense.
Oh yeah, go and see him now. Is he not our friend? And if I cannot go and see him, you go and see him and stand in for me. You get? Just do it. Since you are now his advocate. Okwaya, he's sick. You will have to go and see Henry. Is it by force? Go and see him now. Please, please, please. I need space.
This is all you have to say. Sorry, no verse.
You too, sorry.
Do as you wish. Until you carry one eye, come back here.
Make I carry the one eye come back.
Another person man you won't go snatch.
Yes.
Rubbish. No go find your own. See your own where they there. They sick. They are the
Go cook for her. If I go marry her, I dash you.
How do we know that's your secret? That you're hiding, yeah. How long?
Look, Henry, I am going to my friend's place and I'll be back. It's not like I'm running.
No, Christopher, that's not what we agreed. Okay, that's not what we discussed. Look, we agreed that you're coming to my house. Okay, have you forgotten that I'm not feeling too well? Okay, look, I need you by my side now. Please.
Look, Henry, it's just 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. 2 weeks is not even far. And I'll come back. I'll come and see you. Okay? Stop stressing. I don't like it when you're disturbing me about something. Besides, her wedding is coming up soon. I have to be there so we can plan her wedding. It's very important. It's more important than anything right now.
Okay, it's obvious you've made up your mind already. It's alright. But at least, can we just go to my house?
Can you take me home to my place? Then maybe I'll think about coming to see you this evening.
Are you sure?
Are you driving or not?
I am.
That you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah.
What is the problem? I thought we've talked about this before. Listen, we made plans together and I'm working on it. I can assure you that I am working on it.
What plans? Plans that is taking time to achieve. Now his Gateman is beginning to torment you. You are not in love with this guy. You are in love with me. Babe, I can't even count how many times I've slept with you on his matrimonial bed. Why don't we quit? Why don't you just quit so that we can build our future?
Take it easy, guy. I don't need you to do this. Moreover, I love Alex. And you know it. But the thing is, I love you more. Okay? But we need to take it easy. We need to make plans properly so we don't fail. I'm just waiting to get that major code. Once I do that, we're good to go.
For how long? Because you keep joking about this thing. Honestly, if you have done this thing the way we agreed, we won't be going over it like we are doing.
So how do I convince you that I've been doing everything I said I was going to do? How? Babe, I want you to listen to me. I promise you, we will get this done. I didn't bring you here so that we can start arguing or fighting about this. I brought you here so we could have some fun. But here you are, stressing me.
I'm not stressing you. I just don't believe what you are saying. Because you are not in love with this guy. You are just in love with his money. Yes, his wealth. Can you just get these vital documents and let's leave for God's sake?
Okay. Can we just take things easy? Let's just have some fun. Listen, I know I promised you ₦1 million. I will give it to you. Alright? Come, let's have some. Oh. It's
Talk of the devil, I know.
Just a minute. I'll be quick with the call. Please don't say a word. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, I'm fine. And you? I'm not home. I'm at my mom's. Yes, I went to see my mom. You know she's not feeling too well. I decided to pay her a visit. Yes, babe. Wait a minute, you are joking, right? Oh my God! Thank you so much. You see why I say I love you? See, in my next life, you will definitely be my husband. Alright, baby, thank you. I appreciate you a lot. Thanks. Alright, have a beautiful day and be good. Alright, bye. So you see what I'm going to tell you now is definitely going to put a smile on that face. So why don't you start smiling before I say what I want to say? You don't want to smile.
What is it?
What if I tell you that I am going to transfer ₦1 million to your account this minute?
Okay. I mean, it's good news, but I still need you to get these vital documents.
Shut up, you do talk too much. Come here, we came here to have some fun.
Are you going to do the transfer first?
Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting, oh. The secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that's your little secret that you hide. Anything nobody we know, it's just a matter of time.
Look who we have here.
That's baby. Civil mystery.
I missed you
I
too,
missed you,
baby.
baby.
You look good.
I look a bit trim, yeah?
Turn around, let me see ya.
God,
Just jump here.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, how are you? Get my bag. Seriously. Come.
I said, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Oh my God, you're so cool.
Do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is waiting, oh. Yeah.
Oh, this man just come back. No even chicken, nothing. Yeah, the first carry a back, come in. But I carry a back more inside now. When you enter with you, keep putting trouble. You enter a wow, you not gonna be like, make I know where you man. See, you drop up, you know.
I'm telling you.
No, but that's not true. You did not give me details about it.
But I gave you details and I told you on the
No,
phone.
you did not.
I
Come
told
on.
you.
That's not true. So,
Hello.
Christopher.
Look who we have here.
Hello.
Christabel. Christine.
How are you?
I'm good. Look at you. You're looking so fine, girl.
It's just cool. It's just cool. Hello,
That's right,
Alex.
girl.
Hello, how are you?
I thought you said you were coming.
I saw unannounced. You didn't tell us you're
my
coming.
I already told your woman I was coming. I hope you kept my goodies.
Did you hear her? Coming from a tree.
Auntie, you are the one who's just coming in. At least you're supposed to buy something. Come. Not coming to my house to come and ask me for something.
Now be you are the consi.
Auntie,
I beg go.
don't talk that to me. Where till you buy come?
Nothing. I'm going in. I'm
You're
coming
welcome.
to join you guys.
All right. How is Annabelle?
She's doing just great. Thank you.
I'll join you in a bit, okay?
Sure, I will.
I'll join you in a bit.
All right.
So I was back to business, Oga.
What business?
See, no just lie. You told me a girl walked past your car.
No.
And I know you.
No, that's not how it happened.
There is no way that girl will pass and you will not say hi. Tell me
How
now.
about the girl passing and saying hi? Must it be me saying hi?
Oh, God.
What
No,
did
they
I
lie
do?
you.
What did I do?
No, they lie you.
Why
You
like
know I
so
know you. You
like-
know I know
Why
you.
do
You
like-
know I...
See, Henry. I tried talking to her. Like, I tried making her see reasons with me. But she told me she wanted to go to her friend's place. At least for now. I don't even know what to say again.
And I don't know what I've done. Look, I don't know what I have done to Christabel to deserve this torture, this emotional torture she's giving to me. I don't know what I have done to her. Why? Why this treatment?
See, please take it easy on yourself. Please, stop beating yourself so hard. At least, I'm happy you've recovered.
Yeah, I am still recovering, although I'm still on medications.
Oh.
Look, and I am tired. Okay, I am tired of this. I'm tired of every day begging and trying to make amends. For God's sake, I am human. I have a heart. I am tired. Look, she promised to come see me last night. Okay, only for me to call her, and she told me that she has already gone to her friend's house. I mean, can you imagine that? She doesn't even care about me. She doesn't care about my health or whatsoever.
Please. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry, please. Just take it easy. I'm sure she will come around. Please. Take it easy on yourself.
Look, Anne.
Yes.
I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
Tell me if anything is fishy. I mean, anything whatsoever. Look, I am ready to take it, okay? I am ready to accept it.
See, Henry, there's nothing fishy. At least, none that I know of. See, Christabel is just... See, no, there's nothing fishy. I'm sure she will come back to you. Just give her time, please.
And to think that I wanted to introduce her to my parents and this her unreasonable attitude, come on, it breaks my heart.
See, I understand you. If I say I don't, then I will be lying. I understand how you feel. But you can't kill yourself over this. Please. But believe me, I'm going to keep talking to her. Please, just take it easy. At least for your health.
No problem. I've heard you, okay? Thank you. I mean, thank you very much for your care and always trying to get me and Christabel to work again.
It's nothing.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
That thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that's your little secret that you hide, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time.
How are you?
Hey, everybody we know.
Hey, baby. How are you?
What are you doing?
Come on, Alex. I am here because of you. I miss you a whole lot. I mean, ever since you stopped calling and checking up on me, I couldn't hold it any longer.
Yeah, I stopped because I have to work. I have been busy with work in my business. Stop. Right.
Alex.
What is this? What are you doing? What is this? What are you doing, Christopher?
Come on, Alex. Look, I am madly in love with you. Look, I need you. I mean, I can't stop thinking about you day and night, Alex. I need you in my life. Look, I don't mind if we even do things secretly. No one is ever gonna know.
Did you smoke something? Did you just say that you're here because of me?
Yes, I'm always here because of you. I need you. Look, I can do better than her. Oops. I mean, I can love you way better than her. Come on, just give me a chance, please, Alex, please.
All right, stop. That's enough. Stop. Listen, I'm not that kind of man, all right? Christabel, you'll have to stop. You see, this is never good. Stop! I'm talking. This is never going to happen. Stop it. You're my wife's friend, not just a friend, her best friend. Have you thought of how this would make her feel?
Look.
No, you listen. Stop. I don't know where this is coming
Alex.
from. I hope that you have not misinterpreted my kindness and care for wanting you. I send you money so that you're comfortable in school. I call to check on you because you're a friend of the family, not because I want to have something illicit with you. Okay? Stop it.
Look, Alex, now that she's actually asleep, can we just go to my room? Let me show you all the styles that she has never ever shown you. I mean, come on, stop playing hard to get on yourself.
Your plan is dead on arrival. I'm never going to do it. Stop.
Alex, come on.
Stop. 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 Stop! Christopher, stop.
Alex, come on.
Stop it.
Alright, let's go. Let me see how you're gonna push me out then. Alex! Fine! Alright, I'm here. Let's see how long you plan to play hard to get. Whew.
Christabel, I called you here to come sit and talk with me because I believe that it's time we talk heart to heart. Eva, my wife, your best friend, and yourself have come a long way. You two have enjoyed friendship that has spanned over 2 decades. You met when you were pretty young, went to the same primary school, and then to the same secondary school, even though she was a few classes ahead of you. And she went ahead to gain admission into the higher institution, and you joined her. Sometimes I look at your friendship and I envy it. Not a lot of people have that, you know. What you two have is a blessing, given the fact that we live in a world where people constantly stab the ones that they call family at the back. But the both of you have managed over 20 years, even before I came into the picture. So if I am to put all of this into proper context, it is safe to say that my wife is like your sister. The question is, if you love her like you do and she loves you like she does, why do you have the hearts for me? Why do you always feel a sense of arousal when you see me? You're all over the place. Don't you think that it's an abomination? Don't you think that it should stop?
Look, Alex. Eva and I were just friends. Not like we're blood related. Not like we're sisters. We're just friends. Look, let me tell you a story. Look, back then in school, Eva had this, what's his name? This Maurice of a guy. They were both dating and they were having this mad love, and everyone in school were talking about it. Every happening guy and babe in school, they knew about them. And then I keep wondering, how did you manage to convince her into this marriage, everything with you? I mean, not even thinking about where the Maurice guy is. Anyways, that's by the way. That's by the way. Look, Alex. I love you.
You can talk without touching me.
Look, now that she's fast asleep, let's have the time of our life. Let's make this moment memorable. Look, Alex, I am soaked. I need you. I am dripping for you, Alex. Please.
Stop it. Stop it. You stop. Stop it. I see it's a waste of time trying to have this conversation with you, because really...
Alex, stop trying to be too hard on yourself.
You're being too hard on yourself by being stupid.
Just give me a chance, please, Alex. You need to have a taste of my sugar.
Stop using that language on me.
Nothing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a man.
Is this guy deaf? Theophilus! Do you know I'm standing in the sun?
Thunder! When you get picky, go fire you, then go fire you, kill you there. Idiot. You see, that's how we stand there. That's how we say this. I stand under the sun, then go kill you.
Can't you see I'm at the gate? Theophilus, if I come in there, you not like what I will do to you. Come on, open this gate.
Huh? You say what it? If I open that gate for you and make you enter this house, make I bend, make I just there like this. In fact, make my nyash there like this. Idiot. No, come enter now. See this idiot, oh. We will not be member of this family. Come. Who are you? Who are you, customer? Idiot.
What is wrong with this stupid gate, man? Who employed this guy, sir? Come on, open this gate.
Oga, I know what you dey find. Now here, it is expensive. I don't give you. Because if I enter you, oh just work out. You see all this nonsense where they do. They do. I sabi am. Don't worry. One day I go release the. If I release this dog, okay, just go home.
Theophilus,
Sir?
why have you refused to open the gate for Christopher? That's her at the gate.
Chidiki, what's in there?
You're mad.
Get the gate.
If you talk now, if person dey gate, talk say you dey gate too. Why you go dey call Oga? Why you go call Oga?
It seems you are high. Come on, get back.
What the heck? Only just. If you talk now, say you dey here. Why you go call
Alex. Alex, you see what I'm telling you? That guy is distracted. You need to see the kind of big phone he was holding while he was standing here. Let's see that phone.
What phone is she talking about? It's okay. What phone?
Nah, this is my phone. I don't dey press the phone.
Is that the phone you have?
It's a lie. Bring out the other phone on the other pocket.
Come, let me search it.
So see, Oga, see, you know, say, for this life.
It is here.
Okay, now this one.
Look at what you're getting. It gets mad.
I don't know, sir, this way the doctor is.
Shut up your mouth.
Theophilus,
Sir?
how come? How are you in possession of a phone this expensive?
This boy, they do Yahoo. Nothing where you go tell me.
Which come shut up now?
Shut up.
You Oga. See, the papa they do Yahoo.
Stop shouting. I'm asking you, who got you this phone? How did you get this phone?
So, sir, no best, sir. This one I phone now where my brother, one of my brothers where that abroad buy for me.
But
He just dash me. You know, the phone no cost. Now this nonsense.
Theophilus,
Sir?
you have a brother who's able to give you a phone. But when I hired you, you told me you didn't have a family relation anywhere in the world. So how come you have this phone?
No.
Theophilus, this phone is close to 2 million naira.
Are you serious?
Current exchange rate.
Jesus, now I see the whole for those.
Samsung Fold 3. No be saying a techno, no be high tech.
I see. So this is your phone.
Yes, now my brother, you know, say, my papa, thank you, sir.
We shall get to the bottom of this later.
Oh, thank you, see. Oh, sir.
My friend, really stop when they are going to lose you. I will give you a book. They cannot kill you for this.
You find what you know, find you. Then you where?
Next time, let me stand in.
No, try me. Oh, idiot.
Why are we even talking about this? Is it because he is a gateman? I mean, why can't he use the 4-3?
Yes, because he's a gateman and it's unrealistic that he is in possession of a phone that is close to 2 million naira as we talk.
I mean, what's wrong? Anybody can have a 4-3.
No, not Theophilus, a young man that I took off the streets. He told me he has no one, no father, no mother, no sister, no brother, no one, no support system whatsoever. And suddenly, he has a family member who lives abroad and then gifts him a phone close to 2 million naira.
He probably is doing this job because he likes it. He wants to do it.
It's not making sense. If you have someone rich enough to buy you a phone like that, then the person should be able to do more for you. Do you know that I pay him 30,000 naira? 30,000 naira. And you think he would pick this life over a better life?
Alex, let's just drop this issue. Theophilus shouldn't cause an argument in this house. Let him have the phone. At least nobody has come here to say, oh, he stole my phone or he collected my phone. Have we heard of that? So let's just let him be. There shouldn't be an issue.
Well, I see an issue with it and I'm going to investigate it. I'm going to find out. Clearly something doesn't matter. But definitely I will investigate it.
Okay, good evening, sir. Madam, I hail you.
Theophilus, welcome.
This video start. This video. Hey, Jesus. Hey, your child. So you want to do fear beg? God.
Theophilus.
Sir. She's on this 50.
Theophilus.
Sir.
What is going on here?
Okay. Oh.
Theophilus.
Sir.
What is going on here?
Sorry, sir. Now the film where they happen now. I say make I join on. I watch the film. I just say make I follow the film. The film. Yeah, Jesus.
You left your duty post. Walked in here to come watch a movie.
Boss, okay, that one you don't get any problem. See, I dey agile. As I dey here, and I need to have parallel. I go no, my antenna, it dey very strong. Once anything happen for that gate, wow, I go move. You know?
No. I'm lost right now. Eva, are you seeing Theophilus? You're not saying anything.
I don't understand. Which one, Eva? No, why are you calling my name? Did I bring you from the gate to the sitting room? What's your problem?
My friends are not talking here. Who bring you here? Look at this customer. Come out, baby, stranger. Hey, you! Out! Get out of my house! Get out!
Hey!
What is going on in my house?
Hey! The fact that he's even using a phone. 3. Now what's in the boy in my house?
What is going on in my house? No, you tell me what is going on?
Eva, you two do. No, you two talk. You could just stay. Just they talk. See, please, don't even upset me this afternoon. What's in your own? Now everything you they talk about. Everything where you see, you must always stop. What is your business?
Sorry.
Are you the one who employed him?
I don't hear.
Sorry for yourself, I beg. Can hear what?
Tomorrow you go carry your car drive go outside. You no go do anything.
Auntie, keep quiet. Let's enjoy the program. Shebi has gone out.
I don't hear you. Okay.
I just feel we shouldn't fight over Theophilus. I mean, it's crazy.
Eva!
Christabel.
Hey, everybody will know that's your secret, that you're hiding, yeah. for somebody know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Oh, yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is waiting. Oh.
See you here again. How are you? I guess this is the central shopping mall for everyone in this town. My wife.
Your wife?
Yes, Eva, my wife.
Nice to meet you.
Sweetheart, that's Juliet, an old friend from school.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So we're just on our way out. We came here to collect a few things.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I guess you're just coming in, so you have a lot
Yeah,
of.
sure. All right. Have a nice day.
All right then.
You both.
Okay. I'll see you around.
Sure. Okay. All right.
How long can you hide it? Keep it. Pay for somebody know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting, waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Oh, yeah, do you still remember? I be getting man, we get his working. My madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. If not money I want, she go give me double. To save Bugatti, her little secret I know. She be not for this house. You go here, Messi, I give any, you better no. She not me and you for this house. You go here, na big man on life, I go deliver. With this your little secret, where I know. To close my mouth to madam, oh, you must pay dearly. Jay, oh, you come and see my Gateman swag here. Madam, Messi, I give I so any. Oti, oh yeah, no be smart, no. Jay, I be getting man, get.
Jesus! Theophilus!
What is that? What is that? Who is this one?
Wait.
What is going on?
Wait. Let me digest this right now. Theophilus, you want to tell me that you walked into this kitchen and you dished this food all by yourself from my friend's pot?
Oh, who's your friend? Come get out with you.
Are you stopping? Are you stopping? Oh, Eva! This rubbish has to stop! I'll kill you now. Look at this stupid, dirty thing.
Christabel, take it easy now. Calm down.
I go take her easy with this guy that insults me. I'm your friend though. Hey! You even arranged to before you come inside.
Me, stupid dirty thing.
Hey!
Me. You open this gutter. This gutter when you come and say stupid. Oh.
Theophilus. What's the problem? My friend said she asked you to open the gate and you refused. Why?
She's an idiot. Oh, yeah, we idiot. They don't cow. Look at this idiot. Who are you? The man. Go. See, make I tell you. See this idiot when they hear now. She be nobody. This idiot don't they para. They talk to me in the house. I say that. Now she probably. You the man.
My friend will shut up.
Eva. Shut up, Shawaganya. No, let's see. Go. You see that way they fight. If you see that, if you see her, if I enter you, okay, just go. No. No. See.
My friend, will you go and open the gate?
See, I won't consider.
No.
Don't fire you.